Well, welcome. Today I'm unboxing the goodies from Airkewld. This is the Pro Beam and the front and rear air ride. But I just want to see what's in the box for now. I've seen the packing list. I don't know how assembled or unassembled it is, so we're going to see that now. If you're interested, tune in long term for the installation and putting it together. Hopefully it's simple, but yeah, here goes. Lots of air line. Looks like a pretty complete beam down to the spindles, so there's not even really any assembly with that that's needed. Some tightening, there's tape on that that say it's loose. Ride Tech sticker, this must be the air tank. Plain aluminum, I don't know if I'll paint that or polish that, but it's got pretty much everything there. I don't know if that's something I need to return to them or what, but we'll set that over there. Air gauge, oh, and the switches. So this is a basic control. I did not get a computerized control, but I probably will. I don't want to have to fiddle with stuff. I want it to be easy. This looks like the same thing. So one must be front, one must be rear. This feels heavy, and I guess this is the air shock. Whole bunch of mounting hardware. Air fittings, yeah, this must be the air shocks. I feel like I just got back from the butcher. Those are the air shocks. Where does the fitting go? Must just be the shock absorber. I thought they were going to be integrated with the air bags, but apparently not. Oh,
heavy?
It's heavy. Here. Nice mum there to put on everything when it's all done. Bushings. Air. This looks like the steel for the rear airbags. Yeah, more of that. Looks like a solenoid. Interesting. It'll be fun to put all this together. And there's a relay. These are parts that get welded on for the rear suspension that the airbags sit underneath. That is the air compressor. Yeah, there it is. Rather than dig all that out, I'm going to leave that in there. But yeah, there's a compressor in there. That looks like the rear airbag. Airlift. Same as what's on the van. This will be the other one, which we don't need to open. This is the front beam. Smells like grease.
Grease lightning.
Oh yeah, so then these are the front air shocks. Yeah, it comes with a brand new steering box, brand new air ride shocks, right down to the spindle. That's amazing. And this is their ultimate beam. But yeah, that looks sharp. Everything reconditioned and painted. Powder coated, that looks clean. I love that satin finish. The chassis is satin as well. Yeah, there we go. Don't really want to rest on the suspension, but man, that's sharp.
Like pointy sharp?
No, just like nice. Like greaser needs to be. There. There. So there you have it. I'm pretty excited. It actually seems like a lot less than I expected it to be. I thought things were going to be rammed into this box like, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I thought the box was going to be full. But again, it just shows you how simple this whole process is. These should go in like really fast. The most amount of time is going to be like prepping the car, moving the gas tank, that kind of thing, getting it on. But I'll share that in future videos. Really, at this point, it's starting to get things mounted up. That's going to be the time-consuming part, and the welding. Once that welding's done, I should be able to then get all of the hoses and everything done. But yeah, I'm excited. Time to put this all away, though. Hopefully tomorrow or Friday. You guys don't even know what day it is anyways. Tomorrow or the next day will be when we go to install the front beam, get the front end all done, and then sometime in the next week or two, the welding. So there you have it. That was pretty simple, far more simple, almost a little disappointing it was so simple, but I'll be glad when it comes time to put it together how easy it is. But this is shaping up to be one of the coolest things I think that's going to happen to this Beetle. Anyways, stay tuned. Oh yeah, parts list, beam install tutorial, LinkedIn air ride install, swing axle air ride install, the links to videos, how to wire it. Excellent.